Batsung.
Batsung. Ring.
Thank you, sit down.
Bye. Morning, welcome to another vlog, day in the life of a TV set. So breakfast as per usual, guys. Today stay excited, cool. So kumele ufike udle emsebenzini because usuke Grove Vivi. This was the breakfast for the day, and this is what we call a diary day. La put it eyenzekile efike seniqoqa ukuthi bezizwa kanjani kuleyo nto. Oh, this was the profile below. Yimi ke ngihaphuma impilo la ngimdathi. It was a girl walk that walk. Our makeup room senza makeup yakhe angasemuhle sonke cela nibukeni idress yakhe. This was one of the most gorgeous dresses zakasnefu amadari yakhe. She was feeling herself ezichaza kayena. It was so beautiful. Nakho sisenza final check. Hello. And we had singer on set. He was visiting us. I'm always
Hello, my baby.
A burger, Mama Kuti. Sure, dog. What up, doggy?
Hello over there.
Hello, doggy.
Ngoba guys akukho kuzakalula guys lana la fire blackout kunjani
That's why I'm behind the scenes, eh? Ayala. Please hold this profile going, tell me.
Change,
okay lana masiqeda ngenze profile for Mpumelelo ngitshela ukuthi brush yenza kanje yabo.
Okay. Ngena ngaphakathi
Khuphuka lo. Hayibo. Oh, ngathi bangamalinyezi. I'm like, wow, that's cute.
Mina ngibadla sele siyigidele kuno makhe sithi njalo.
Hey, suka. Sazi insizwa thina. Yebo phela.
Siyabonga.
Ushaya intombi entshantshana. Yabo lento sibona brand new ntombi.
Hayi uyazi akangakhathazeki uyazidala. Yaxoxisa.
Sekuhlwile la.
Sizoxoxisa empumela.
Kanti sekuhlwile.
Ngathi usikhahle kodwa.
Siyaxoxisa.
Ucheck uthi iphi lento engiyilindela ngithi ubonisile.
Usende phansi komthunzi welanga sithandwa sami ngiyokuthola.
Kunjalo nje.
Imandi izosmile manje.
La usazophila usuku-ke I was just directing uLwandle ukuthi profile yakhe ayishaye kanjani naye. And then yeah, that was it for this day. Hope you enjoyed. So please behind the scenes show.